Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is durable. It is pronounced durable, and it is spelt D-U-R-A-B-L-E. Think dur and then able. Durable means able to withstand wear, pressure, or damage, hard wearing. For example, you could say the plastic plates were more durable than the china ones. Durable comes from the Latin durabilis, meaning lasting or permanent. If something is durable, it means it will last and be difficult to damage. Therefore, its meaning is similar today. In the year 2000, Nokia released a phone that would go on to become one of the most popular mobile phones ever, the legendary Nokia 3310. This durable phone had a reputation for being pretty much indestructible. People began testing its limits, and the phone was set on fire, shot, and dropped from the top of buildings, among other things, but miraculously, the phone survived. What a durable device! Durable is an adjective, and therefore a describing word. For example, you could say, he was searching for a durable car that would last him many years. Durable is defined in the dictionary as able to last and be used for a long time without becoming damaged. Durable synonyms include long-lasting, hard-wearing, heavy-duty, tough, resistant, strong, sturdy, stout, sound, substantial, and indestructible. Antonyms include flimsy, delicate, insubstantial, slight, light, fragile, breakable, frail, shaky, unstable, wobbly, and rickety. See if you can spot anything durable today. It could be an old toy that has miraculously never broken, or something strong and unbreakable. Try to use your new word today, durable. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.